Hi, I wanted to come to you today on this fine, beautiful day and show you some of the things that I have growing here in some pots and stuff that I have cultivated and raised at work. This is avocado growing from an avocado seed, which is really cool. Just water, no dirt. Over here, I'm growing tamarind, which isn't quite coming up yet. And over here, I have, oh my, what's going on? Look at a worm. That's amazing. How you doing, little buddy? You like it in there? Yeah? That's cool. Wow. How did you get in there? I bet you really have a lot of protein in you, don't you? No? I bet you would be really, really tasty. Don't you think so? Really? Oh, wow, you look nervous. Well, I haven't had lunch yet, so I'm sorry, but